Hi everybody, my name is David and welcome to the channel. Do you hear that? Well, that's background noise. Today I'm gonna show you how you can remove it from your video using Premiere Pro. Let's go! So welcome to Premiere, and now I'm gonna show you the clip from which we wanna remove the noise.
Hello and welcome to Plating TV. Today we're coming to you from the Atomic Studio, which is a music recording studio here in Italy.
So as you can hear, there is this on the background, so that's pretty annoying and we want to get rid of it in a quick and simple way. So now that we have listened to our clip and understood what kind of noise we want to remove, I'm gonna show you a simple method that is gonna be useful for almost every basic scenario that you are gonna face in your editing. And in order to do that, let's just go to Window on the top of your screen, go to Essential Sound, tap it, and this screen will pop up. In the Essential Sound window, you're gonna see 4 different tabs: Dialogue, Music, Sound Effects, and Ambience. For the sake of this tutorial, we're gonna just stick with dialogue. So we will focus just on the voice. We have loudness, repair, clarity, and creative. We don't want to work with all of them today. We are gonna just use repair. And under repair, you're gonna check reduce noise. So what this will do is it's going to apply a noise reduction effect that is gonna reduce actually the noise that we have seen before.
Hello and welcome to Plating TV. Today we're coming to you from the Atomic Studio, which is a music recording studio here in Italy. In today's episode, we're gonna help our friend Alberto, who's a local musician, restyle his original guitar.
So we don't have to do any fancy things. So we are gonna just work with this slide right here. So let's play the clip and I will move it back and forth to make you hear what is going on here. 0 noise reduction.
The Atomic Studio, which is a music recording
as the original. If we go to 10.
Studio here in Italy. In today's episode, we're going to help our friend Alberto, who's a local musician.
So one thing to keep in mind, if you slide your noise reduction to the top, so you apply the maximum level of the effect, you will affect the clip and you will remove every noise. But actually this is gonna change the tone of the voice of your character into some robotic, not pleasing sound. So you don't want to do that. You want to find a right balance. So for example, for this clip, let's try around 7.
TV. Today we're coming to you from the Atomic Studio, which is a music recording studio here in Italy. In today's episode...
Okay, now 7 looks good to me. There is no robotic effect to the voice. It's not too processed, but it has removed all the background noise. So that's good. Let's keep it like that. And let's check another time before and after.
Today we're coming to you from the Atomic Studio, which is a music recording studio here in Italy. In today's episode, we're going to help our friend Alberto, who's a local musician, restyle his original guitar.
All right. I want to explain what's going on so you can understand why we are going to do the next process. If you noticed, in our original soundtrack we had much more frequencies and much more data going on. Of course, there was a lot of noise and we want to remove that, so we applied the noise reduction, and this cut off certain frequency from our clip. And that's actually how noise reduction works. It cut out all the frequency that create noise in our clip. But doing that, you remove also data from the voice. We cannot actually bring it back, but we can do some equalization in order to give it a little bit more punch and more interesting sound. Okay, so there are a lot of mid-high frequency that are cut out. So we're gonna bring them back in the voice. So let's close the repair tab and let's go to clarity. Okay, under the clarity tab, we're gonna check the EQ and we're gonna select a preset right here. So now that we have applied our EQ preset, we can fine tune it in our equalizer. In order to do that, just go to the effect control panel, go under graphic equalizer. If you see, when I check the box in the essential sound panel, the effect will appear here in the effect control panel. Go to custom setup and edit. This mixer will appear. Sorry, this equalizer will appear. If you see, you have increase here in the 250 kilohertz range from the EQ. If you see, the podcast voice preset is have this just to heels. I don't know how to say in English. And right here you have the same thing. Actually, if I bring this down, you will see also here is affected. I'm gonna bring down also this one, and this one. So let's keep it flat and let's go manually. So let's hear the clip.
TV. Today we're coming to you from the Atomic Studio, which is a music recording studio here.
Okay, I want to bring out a little bit some high frequency. So let's go to the 16 kilohertz and bring it to 4.5, 8 kilohertz to 3, and just a touch on the first K hertz.
Today we're coming to you from the Atomic Studio, which is a music recording studio here in Italy.
So,
in today's episode,
EQ.
we're going to help our friend Alberto, who's a local musician, restyle his original guitar and give it a much more prestigious look.
So because we have a lot of mid-frequency in the shot, but it's pretty flat, I want to add a little bit of low frequency and high frequency. So to do that, I already show you how to do the high frequency. Let's go and add some low frequencies. So let's bring the 31 kilohertz to 10, the 63 to 6.4, the 125 to 3, and a little bit of 250 kilohertz. Let's see.
ATV. Today we're coming to you from the Atomic Studio, which is a music recording studio here in Italy. In today's episode, we're going to help our friend Alberto, who's a local musician, restyle his original guitar.
Okay, as you can hear, now the voice is a little bit more rich, there is more going on, and it sounds better. So now what we're gonna do is check before and after. So we start from this.
Today we're coming to you from the Atomic Studio, which is a music recording studio here.
Not pretty noisy and shitty. Now with denoise.
Here in Italy. In today's episode, we're going to help our friend Alberto, who's a local musician.
And now with a little bit of equalization.
Restyle his original guitar and give it a much more prestigious look.
Okay, that's it. So if you want to go a step further, you can add some background music in order to blend it all together. And you're done. So thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. And I will see you in the next one.